Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Irfan bin Muhammad alias Muhammad Fauzi. I am currently pursuing my degree in Bachelor of Manufacturing Technology at UNIZA, and today I would like to present my final technology project. My project entitled Design and Fabrication of Rehabilitation Device for Shoulder Muscle with Flexible Elbow Joint, supervised by Dr. Soran Jalal Abdullah. First and foremost, I am thankful to Allah the Mighty for providing me this opportunity and granting me the capability to complete my project successfully. Okay, what is rehabilitation? Rehabilitation is an action of helping someone to restore their health or normal life through a set of training, therapy, after imprisonment, addiction, or illness. There are many rehabilitation activities can be carried out to restore one's health. Usually, rehabilitation activities are supported by their specific equipment. Nowadays, there are plenty of advanced rehabilitation devices that can be found at the rehabilitation center or even in the market. Problem statement. There are several issues regarding the rehabilitation devices. The first one is the rehabilitation device itself is quite expensive, especially the one that use modern and advanced technology. In the modern and advanced technology rehabilitation device, there are many complex components such as electric actuator, hydraulic actuator, etc. that make the device expensive. The price of the rehabilitation device can up to thousands of dollars. Aside from the price of the rehabilitation device itself, the maintenance cost for the device to operate properly is also high. In addition to that, the training or therapy fee alone is quite burdensome and costly. According to the Turvo, the estimation or the average cost for physical therapy can range up to 80 ringgit Malaysia to 1000 ringgit Malaysia per session. The physical therapy fees include the initial assessment, use of special equipment, and depends on the type of injury and treatment received. The number of sessions prescribed will also determine the total cost. User needs to go to the therapy center every time the user needs to use the rehabilitation device or to do the therapy session. Hence, this is indirectly affecting user daily life. The other issue is that the world is currently faced a global pandemic, COVID-19. Therefore, the government has announced Movement Control Order (MCO) in order to refrain the virus from spreading. For those who will currently undergo the rehabilitation session at the rehab center, might have a problem to go to the rehab center. The best way to minimize the movement outside of the house is better to do a rehab session at home or to have personal rehab device at home. The objective of the project is, the first one is to study the existing rehabilitation device for shoulder muscle with flexible elbow joint. The second one is to design and fabricate the low-cost rehabilitation device for shoulder muscle. And the last one is to validate the functionality of low-cost rehabilitation device for shoulder muscle. Usefulness and application. My project is to develop a low-cost rehabilitative device that can be used for upper limb, especially the shoulder muscle. This device will be developed locally, therefore it is highly anticipated to be present within the domestic market. Novelty and inventiveness. My project is more to inventiveness. The rehab device is light and portable. It can be used anywhere and anytime. The rehab device is also cheap and affordable. Anyone can buy it and use it at home. Next, we go to the product system development. Project selection is a process to assess project idea and select the project with the highest priority. So, the selection is often made based on the questionnaire survey and discussion with the supervisor. At this stage, there are 3 sketches had been made as a understanding the concept of the product through basic element either from visual and concept. It also includes process of innovating the concept before bringing the concept to the next stage. Out of 3 sketches, this is the selected idea concept. The selected idea concept is based on not only the questionnaire survey, but we study the characteristics and features that can be applied in the project. This concept is the improvement from the existing product. The improvement is focusing on the low-cost material used during the project fabrication. After we're done with the sketching and selecting the idea, we can now go to the Fusion 360 to make a technical drawing and 3D modeling. This is to ensure all the measurement during the technical drawing is equivalent to the actual product size. There are several processes during the project fabrication, such as measuring process, joining process, cutting process, and grinding process. After going throughout all those fabrication process, these are the finished product of the rehabilitation device for shoulder muscle. Product system functionality. In this topic, we will see how the rehab device is function and how to use it. Result and discussion. As you can see in this picture, there are different between before and after the switch is on. This device is able to move the arm upward and downward. The device is light, portable, and can be used anywhere. We are able to produce rehab device with lower price. Product commercial. The cost for the parts mentioned in the table is based on the main material used in this project. The total cost for this project is 265 ringgit and 30 cents. The body structure of the devices is made from acrylic material. The product system is the combination of mechanical and Arduino system. The product size is 350 times 150 times 170 mm. The product lifespan. This product can be used over 10 years performance. The price for commercial purpose is 320 ringgit Malaysia. That's all from me. Thank you panel for your time. I'm so sorry if there is any mistake and error during my presentation. I hope you have a great day and goodbye.